Welcome, guys, to day number 7 of our 7-day Metamorphosis course. Congrats, guys. I'm super proud of you guys for making up to day 7. And obviously, this is just the beginning of the journey, but you made it. You're one of the few that is fighting back the comfort zone and that is truly looking forward his best life, his 2.0 self, right? So that means that you showed up, you did the work, and you're now standing at the edge of a completely new chapter. Your 2.0 self is already forming. He's already casting votes. He's already gaining ground. So take a second to breathe, right? You didn't just consume content, you rewired your identity, rebuilt your rituals, and claimed a future that used to feel out of reach. This is a real transformation, and it's only just begun. So let's get real. Was it perfect? Of course not. Did you miss a day, skip a ritual, doubt yourself? Probably. Here's the truth: the only people who don't fall are the ones who never move. We're failing forward. All the richest people in the world has touched the bottom of the barrel, right? And they failed and they moved forward. They never stopped. And this is what I want you guys not only to be PurposePreneur, but I want you guys to look at failures as something positive. We iterate and we keep going. Now we have new systems, right? And we have reset switch. We have new tools that we can use. And here's a map for your next 90 days and a commitment contract to lock it all in. This course wasn't just about clarity, it was about motion. So the question is, how do we keep that motion going? I've created a 21-day challenge so that we can lock in new habits, keep the momentum alive with daily actions. This community will be amazing for you moving forward because I'm inviting only people that are empowering each others, that are really to commit to have that discipline and to keep that positive perspective, right? We're not jealous of each other. We just want to empower. We want to inspire. And I want to bring that new community into, yes, we take actions, but we're not alone. Even if in our circle, none of our friends or families wants to grow and wants to reach the next level, now we have a family. I want to build this community as something that will be amazing for each and every one of you. So for those who are ready to push even deeper into the PurposePreneur sphere, I'm currently building that course. It might already be available on one of the paid tiers, but this is the niche I'm more excited about. Obviously, I can help you guys out with your routines, with your mindset, with all those things that we've seen in that course. But if you guys want to become a PurposePreneur, find that directions, find that perfect lifestyle business that you don't want to retire it up, you don't want to sell it, you just want to have that freedom, the financial freedom, the location freedom, and the time freedom. And this is what I'm currently building, and it feels amazing. I just want to bring you guys on board for whoever wants to dig deeper and who are serious about building that next path for your life. Obviously, the one-on-one coaching, if you guys are not currently one of my clients, I highly recommend you guys to meet me over an evaluation call so that I can go over this week your results, your thought process, your routines, your saboteur, all those things that you've worked with for the last 7 days. I would love to meet you and to help you to find exactly the right path or the right way to look at the next steps ahead and to build some sort of a small roadmap together. Please do refer this course to whoever would change their lives with all the goodies, all the golden nuggets that were in this course. So obviously this course will be free forever. This is one of the main thing that I wanted, even producing it. I'm like, I could put a price tag on it. I could put a price tag on all those GPTs and all those tools. But no, I want it to be free. So please bring more people on board so that we can build a movement, right? I would love to have some sort of a community build with a mission to empower each other to greatness, to our 2.0 selves, and to change our lives by becoming PurposePreneur. So guys, you didn't finish a course. You started a movement inside. Now you get to ask, who do I want to be remembered as 12 months from now? You already changed over the last 7 days, and it was only 7 days. How far can you get in the next 12 months? Because if you commit, if you keep stacking wins, if you stay in the game, you'll become the architect of your own freedom. I truly believe it. Let's build that future brick by brick, vote by vote. This is Coach Alex signing off from the PurposePreneur Metamorphosis journey. You're not alone. You're not behind. You are building, right? So you guys are going to go through the 12 months mission, you new non-negotiables. Now that we want to commit and we want to have that self-discipline, we need to prep the field and plan properly to have those rituals as your daily rules, your non-negotiables. We already have a couple of rules like failing forward and not failing 2 days in a row. Build your own rules. Make your own rules that works for you. For your new standards and pillars and identity. What are those rules? The 90-day milestones, right? After the 21-day challenge, we're going to have some more challenges inside the community. But let's look at 3 months down the road, 12 months down the road, and use the top 10 weekly goals with the green and the red pen moving forward as well to make sure we're taking action. All the skills you want to master. Build your Plan A playlist on YouTube with those skills, the growth resources, the books you want to read, the audiobook you want to download and combo with going to the gym or the commute, taking the bus, the train. How can we still grow in those times? Build your environment to shift towards that new identity. Then again, the non-negotiable rituals, you need to build your own, customize them to make it work for you, not only for this week or next week, for the next couple of months, couple of years. Build an emergency reset protocol if you went off track. What tools can you use? Can we add some sort of penalties, punitions, right? Some people, that's what they work best on. So if that works for you, then make it happen, and let's be proactive instead of reactive here. What is the day plan? What are the routines, the final routine to achieve what you want to achieve, that 2.0 self and that PurposePreneur business? So there's a contract. If you want to move forward, if you want to commit, sign that contract, send it to me. If you want to be part of my one-on-one coaching, please do connect with me. And obviously there's some paid tiers in the community. Have a look at them. Try them for 1 month, right? You don't have to commit for a whole year. Come to those group calls. There's a lot of Q&A, and it's going to be a pleasure for me to answer those questions and to help you so that you can feel that you have someone in your corner. You didn't just finish a course, you rewrote your identity operating system. The path forward is no longer a question. It's a commitment to movement over excuses, clarity over chaos, purpose over what are the next 7 daily votes that prove your metamorphosis is not a phase, but the new standard, right? Say it, write it, ship it. You're now legacy live. Want a printable certificate or final ritual card next? If that's what you want, you're gonna have access to it. Then again, you have access to the Fiverr if you want to meet me and have a first evaluation. For my clients, please do share the final version so that I can put it in my new custom GPT to evaluate everything and to prep the next phase of our work. Thank you guys for committing. Thank you for watching all those videos, for doing all those exercises. This is the first version of my course. Obviously, I'm going to improve it. It took me months before I took actions, but I'm proud of myself so that I finally finished it. And hopefully there's a lot of value, and hopefully you guys can get a good idea of my methodology, my philosophies, and hopefully I'll see you in the community sharing, engaging, and empowering other people. So on that note, have a great day and hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a look at this other video right here, and please do like and subscribe. And if you want to join our empowering, uplifting community of entrepreneur, click down below and see you on the other side.